Hi children, very good morning. I here Ramya, your English teacher, right? So how are you all? Good, no? Super. Yeah. So come, let's go to the class. Yeah, so today let us go for grammar topic. Grammar and composition for schools, right? So this is your grammar book. So what is the first topic of your grammar? Parts of speech. Superb. So most important and easy topic, parts of speech, right? So what are the parts of speech? How many parts of speech are there? Can you list out? Just try it out. Okay, so right or wrong, first you have to try it. So try it out. Just list them. Yeah, so let me say. Okay, 8 parts of speech are there. The first one is noun, the second one is pronoun, third one verb, fourth one adjective, fifth one adverb, sixth one preposition, seventh one conjunction, and the eighth final one last is interjunction, right? Yeah. So these are the parts of speech, 8. Okay. Yes, so come, let's go to the topic. Go to the exercise. So see here. So first in your book they have given the introduction, the explanation for this parts of speech. Okay, 8 types. Then later we will go for the exercise, right? Yeah. Come, let's start. So read these sentences. Yeah, let's read the sentences. So just try to read along me. Okay. Rishabh ate a sandwich. Okay. Rishabh ate an sandwich. See, can you find out? You can understand now that here some words are highlighted. It is not written normally, highlighted. With it is given in red color. Okay, bold, highlighted. So next we will see why they have highlighted these words. What is the purpose of it, right? So first let us read the sentences. Rishabh ate a sandwich. Himanshi and Kiran walked to school. I gave him the book. It was a rainy day. The bell rang loudly. We were waiting at the restaurant. Will you wear a hat or take an umbrella? Hat, which means cap. Okay. Will you wear a hat or take an umbrella? Ow, it looks like it is going to rain. Ow, it looks like it is going to rain. Right? Clear? Yeah. So let us see why they have highlighted this word. Why they have given in a bold. Yeah. Here it is. See. The words in bold are the parts of speech. Okay. So these are the parts of speech. Let's go for the explanation. Here. Rishabh ate a sandwich. Rishabh sandwich, nouns. Okay, so why it is highlighted? Because this two is nouns. Himansi and Karan. It is Karan. Yeah. Himansi and Karan walk to school. So walk is verb. Verb. I gave him the book. I, him. Pronoun. Okay. It was a rainy day. Rainy. Adjective. The bell rang loudly. Loudly. Adverb. We were waiting at the restaurant. At. Preposition. So at is a preposition. Will you wear a hat or take an umbrella? Or. So or is a conjunction. Ow, it looks like it is going to rain. ow. It is the interjection. It is the emotional word, right? So the following is also an explanation. So here they have given why such words are highlighted, right? So following is explanation. See, parts of speech are of 8 types, right? I have said earlier now. Yeah. A noun is a word that tells us the name of a person, place, thing, person, animal, place or thing, right? So it is a word that tells us the name of a person, animal, place or thing. So see, Shalini is a teacher. Okay, Shalini is a teacher. So both of it is a noun, right? Okay, this is a subject place and this is a object place. Fine? Yeah. A verb is a word that is used to describe an action. Describe an action, state or position. Okay? Action, state or position. So main is action. Okay? The taxi is waiting at the door. Is waiting. Verb. Action. What the taxi is doing. Is waiting. Right? A pronoun is a word used in place of noun. Right? A pronoun is a word used in place of noun. See, this is Ravi. He is my brother. Okay? He is my brother. So again they didn't use Ravi is my brother. Nana. So instead of Ravi they have given he. So he is pronoun. Okay? Used instead of noun. Right? Yes. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Adjective is a word that describes a noun, that qualifies a noun. Okay? We have a beautiful rug. We have a beautiful rug. So how the rug is? Beautiful rug matlab like this. Okay? A small piece of cloth which is thick used in the floor. Right? So rug. How the rug is? Beautiful. So it qualifies. It describes the noun. Got it? Clear? Yeah. So let's go for next. An adverb is a word that describes the verb, phrase or adjective. Okay? An adverb is a word that describes a verb, phrase or adjective. So verb, you know what it is. Adjective, so which qualifies the noun. So what is phrase? So phrase is a group of words. Okay? Group of words without subject and verb. Right? So here, the woman sang sweetly. So how was the song? Sweetly. The woman sang sweetly. It describes, it modifies the verb. How she sang sweetly. So it qualifies the verb. It describes, it modifies the verb is called as adverb. So how was her song? How did she sing? Sing. We should not say about song. Sorry. How did she sing? Sweetly. How was her voice? Sweetly. Okay. So sweetly. Here sweetly is a adverb. Right? Yeah. A preposition is a word that shows a relationship between a noun and a pronoun. So preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun and pronoun. Okay. Like in this way also you can take. Preposition. It is given no preposition. So preposition. Pre matlab before. Position is place. So before a noun or pronoun, a word is used called as preposition. Preposition. before a word or before a noun, a word is used called preposition, right? See, they kept the toys in the bag. Okay, in the bag. So before the noun it is used now. Where? Before the noun. In the bag. This is called as preposition. Before. Okay, pre matlab before, position matlab place. Before the place of noun or pronoun. Okay, right. A conjunction is a word that is used to join a group of words. Okay, so conjunction is a word that is used to join a group of words. See here, he likes reading books and magazines. Okay, so it joins the two group of words. See, he likes reading books, here magazine. So this two is joined by the word conjunction. Okay, so and is a conjunction, right? He likes reading books and magazines. Got it? Next, last one. An interjunction is a word used to show sudden emotion or expression. Okay, it is used to show sudden emotional or expression. It is usually followed by an exclamation mark. Okay, it is usually followed by an exclamation mark. Right? Oh, I did not know you lived here. Okay, oh, see the exclamation mark? I did not know you lived here. Okay, so giving a sudden emotion or expression, and even exclamation mark will be there. That is called as conjunction. Right? So clear? Are you clear in this? Good. So that's it. Here our session ends. So next is exercise. Okay, so you just go through this in your home. Here 2-3 times. Be clear with the explanation part. Okay, and even the spelling of the parts of speech. And while you are writing in your book for the exercise, in the exercise, when you write, your handwriting should be very, very neat. And see, let me say one thing. So whenever writing parts come, you just have 2 pencils or 3 pencils with you, so that you can sharp your, means it will be easy. Time won't take to sharp your pencil. You may also forget while writing to sharp your pencil often. So handwriting should be neat. If you sharp your pencil and write, your letters will be clear, it will be bold and eligible. Okay, or else without sharpening your pencil, if you are writing, it won't be that much clear. So please, while you go for the writing part in your book, in the exercise, have 3 pencils, at least 2 pencils. So when it is blent, when the sharpness goes now, you can automatically go for the next pencil. Okay, that's why. So sharp your pencil, right? Or else have 2 or 3 pencils with you and eraser with you. So don't overwrite in your book. Better sharp your pencil and write. I'm sorry. Rub. Use eraser and write. Okay. Handwriting should be very, very, very neat. Handwriting is very important for me, right? Yeah. So go through this exercise, this explanation part, so that the upcoming exercise will be very easy for you. You can identify easily, right? Okay, take care. Bye. Be safe at home. Thank you, children.